Hi folks, welcome to 20th video of the series, that is randomizing the items of a list in Python. Today I'm going to explain this program. First we are importing random. It is the Python library. From random we are importing shuffle. Shuffling. For shuffling we need some words inside a list. I am assigning Python is easy these words separately in inside the list and assigning them to lst variable. Then I am shuffling the list. This is a function which is used to shuffle. Then I am printing the list. Let me print this, what it will give you. Here we got the output. Here in program we have easy in third place, but in output we have it on first place. So every time we run this program, it will give random answers, not random answers, just it will shuffle the list items. So thank you for watching.